Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. This is our finale, our final video on this modern bathroom remodel. We're going to show you all the before and afters and all the final details. But before we do that, we're going to take you through some of our past videos and show you some clips of what it took to get us here. Okay guys, that was a lot of fun going back and looking at what it took to get us here. This wasn't just a cosmetic remodel, right? This had a lot of everything. We did rough plumbing, rough electric, all the tile work, set a new tub, all the stuff you're gonna find in most typical bathroom remodels we did on this one. My biggest takeaway on this one was the grout.
Right.
Yeah, so go back and watch the grout video. In fact, if this is your first video you're watching on our channel, make sure you go back and watch our whole series on this bathroom remodel. We take you through how to rough in a tub, put up the trim, the framing, the electric, this custom-made vanity, the vessel sinks.
What would you have done differently? What'd you take away with the grout?
One bag at a time.
Right.
And once it starts to set up in the bucket and you realize you're not gonna make it, stop. Because you can always do just this wall, right? And then go get more grout if you run out.
Of course.
And then do this wall.
Right.
So that was my biggest takeaway on this project.
Interesting. Yeah. I enjoyed doing the toilet with the cracked flange.
Well, that's true. I forgot all about that.
I thought that was cool.
Yeah.
So that was a good little lesson. And it's always interesting to know that it's not as hard as you might think it is.
Right.
And that you can be confident in fixing that problem, and as long as you're willing to get a little dirty.
Right, and we've got some great comments on that video and some of the tips and tricks in there. So,
right.
Yep. In all our videos, we try to include not just bathroom tips and tricks, but just how to do things easier and quicker and better. And
tricks of the trade.
That's right.
Right. Cool, dude.
Yep. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button for us. It really helps us out. Give us a comment down below and we'll make sure we answer it for you. And subscribe if you haven't done that already. And subscribe if you had to. And subscribe for us. We would really appreciate that too. So that wraps up the bathroom. You saw the kitchen remodel finale, right?
Yeah.
If you haven't, go back and watch that. We published that just a couple of days ago. That came out great. Got the final inspection. They loved it too. So we have quite a few projects on the books. So stay tuned and we're going to show you what we're going to do next.
Cool, man.
You'll be amazed.
All right.
All right, see you on the next one.